Hi guys, here I am at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have, guys. Okay, so if we start over here, look what I see. Aren't these really cute? These say congrats, woohoo. What is that? Like novelty little tiny candles. And so they have this kind. This one says hashtag time for cake. So it says have fun, yay, and birthday. That's nice. How cute. And I'm not really sure exactly what these say. This one says two. I'm not sure what those say. To Miss, maybe it says Miss and Mr. And then this one over here says woohoo, great job, congrats. I like that. That's new. Right here you have your utility lighters. Okay. You have these mirrors over here with the gold border. Here you have the star ones, and these are new, guys. These right here. So then they have these. I don't think I've ever seen these candles, but I'm loving this. Oh look, this has an initial. It has an O. I think that's the only one I see. Then they have the gold metallic ones, and here are the iridescent ones. I love those. And these are the silver taper candles. Those are really nice. So I think, I'm not sure if these are new. I'm loving that color though. And here's the potpourri along the bottom. So here are the candles. I saw these at a different location, guys. These are new. So they come in this yellow. What flavor is that? That's melon papaya. Then they have this orange, some kind of orange bergamot. That's and then they have that pink, and then they have that blue. Then they have these candles. I love these candles, guys. Then they have these white ones here. They have the marble ones here. These are all regular candles, guys. I'll scan this stuff, guys, and then let's see if I find something that we haven't seen. This one says pray without ceasing, and this says blessed. Aren't those nice, guys? I love those. And then these, guys, I don't know. I don't think I've seen these. This says why not? That one I've never seen before. This one says faith can move mountains. And then they have the sashes on the bottom. So then over here, guys, you have some frames, and I'm loving these gold ones right here. And then they have this kind right here and this kind right here. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I like those. Okay, so I'm not seeing very much. And they have the photo mat right here, and the certificate holders. These frames, I like these white and gold ones. Those are really nice, guys. They don't have the big frames like the 11 by 14. Those they don't have at this location. Okay, so over here we have the tea light holders, and they come in small, medium, and large. Then you have these wax melt holders. These are just the plain white. And I don't know, this is new, but I only see the one in the O. These are the iridescents. And I'm loving these. Aren't these nice, guys? It says homemade. Those are nice. And then they have these vases. And they have those vases. And then they have those frosted ones. We've seen those before. So along the bottom, they have the square ones. These regular ones. These are standard regular vases. And then they have this kind. And they have these ones all along the top. Oh, they have some more vases over here. Okay, so you have the regular ones there, then you have the fishbowl ones here, and then they have this kind. So these are the bigger ones. I don't think they have the small ones. So these are all regular vases. So let's see what's over here. So in the ribbons, they have that. They have these ombre ones. Grosgrain ribbon. Wow, these are all mixed in, guys. And these are like the springy ones with the llamas and the cactus. Then they have these spring forms. I love those. And then they have these mirrors right here. They brought these back because we didn't have them for a while. I like the white frame. So then they have this, Our Love Story. Isn't that beautiful, guys? And then this is in Spanish. It says familia. Isn't that beautiful? I don't think I've ever seen Spanish stuff. Let's see if they have some more. That's a nice one. At the beach. And here's a boat. Love more and worry less. Welcome to our nest. So those are nice, guys. Oh, look at these. Free hugs. And then you have the camel. Aren't those beautiful? Guys, those are beautiful. I like those. And this says, do what makes you so happy. Relax is just a phase. Those are beautiful. So I think these are new. I'm not sure. And then you have these lanterns. And then you have these plastic craft bottles, guys. Then you have your foam wreaths and your regular foam down here. Look, they have some more nautical pictures. Let's see. They have that one. That one. I don't know what that one is right there. You are the apple of my pie. That's so cute. Blessed and thankful. And then these are herbs. Guys, these are so pretty. Okay, so these are really nice. And look, here's another Spanish one. Familia es el más grandioso regalo. Oh, okay. And then I hope I said that right. Then la vida es bella. Now bella, I think it's Italian for beautiful. I'm not sure. Okay, bloom where you are planted. I love that saying. Then they have, I cook, therefore you clean. Hey, that's only fair. Okay, vive cada momento. Let's live every moment. Bendiciones, blessings. They have always time for wine. That's cute. I like these. Guys, these are so cute. So now, look at these shadow boxes. Aren't these adorable? Aw, you're wonderful. For real. Oh, you're wonderful for real. And then this one says, I'm not single, I have a cat. And then this one over here says, it's not really drinking alone if the dog is at home. Okay. And then crazy cat lady. Okay. These crosses, I think we've seen those before. Happiness is homemade, thinking of a master plan. God, goals and grind. Life begins after coffee. And I like these signs, guys. This says wolf. Wolf. That's really cute. And they have, this is a bear. Enjoy it. I like those. Then I like those. And then look at these shadow boxes. This is Farm Fresh. They have some more over here I saw. Oh, here they go. Okay, so they have fresh eggs daily with the rooster. That's this one. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at that. Take your time with the thyme herb. Then Farm Sweet Farm. And then look, Farm Fresh. That's really neat. So they have some more of these shadow boxes over here. And these coffee ones with the little clip. And then over here it says, these are all the teacher, world's best teacher. Shadow boxes, and they have a couple of things, guys. These things are just all over the place. So let's see, the nautical rope here is getting smaller, guys. So I'm not gonna get this. I'd rather the big ones. So now I'm gonna get the seashells that I like. So I like these, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. So I see more of the blue gems, so we're gonna grab 2 of these. And then these seashells, you see these seashells are a little bit different. Look, they even have the green gems. This is the first time I'm seeing these green gems. I hope you can see that color. Okay, so these are the smaller seashells, and I think I can work with these. So I'm gonna get 2 of those. Anyway, they have these, which is the sea glass. Yeah, that's the sea glass. And then they have these pebble stones in that color. And I think that's it, guys. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree and checking out the stuff in their vase section and candles. And I will see you guys in another video.